Direct Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this beautiful 2019 Eclipse Cross LS. On this kind of kilometers, I'm not going to spend too long on the condition, but I am going to show you some of the features and the benefits of them as well. Starting off the front, we have got that Mitsubishi's new take on that dynamic shield look in the front there with the Mitsubishi badging right in the middle there. I've got the chrome grille running through the middle and those really sleek headlights which do really tie off the sporty look of the Eclipse Cross. We've got those big fog lights down there with the indicator built in. And the chrome surrounding for those grills just really looks incredible. All the sharp angles of this car are really what makes it look as stunning as it does. The wheels on this vehicle are very well designed. They have got that chrome and piano black look to them. Even the lines along these doors are all designed for the aerodynamics. We've got the color match side mirrors and door handles. Now the side mirrors do fold in when you lock the car, and you have got an indicator, as I said, built into there as well with the black underside. Now the side skirts here, you have got the plastic side skirts. Once again, all the sharp angles are all built for the aerodynamics. The fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. If we make our way along to the back now, very unique look from the back here. We have got that dual glass on the back with that brake light that just runs straight through the middle of that tailgate. The split in the tailgate does give you increased visibility as well through your rear view mirror. You have got the color matched parking sensors on the back there as well, and just pressing the button under the boot will actually let you open it up. In the back here, plenty of space being the Eclipse Cross. You also do get a cargo blind which will keep everything in the back nice and private. Just under here you've got your space saver spare down there, as well as your jack and tools. Closing this back up, we'll make our way along this side once again. Pretty much the same as the last side, just without the fuel filler cap. Full keyless entry, so pressing the button on the key will lock and unlock it. But yeah guys, overall absolutely stunning car. So what we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, which is just going to give you a very clear, very smooth drive. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with 7 airbags. Power output from this engine is 110 kilowatts with 250 newton meters of torque. Where this car really stands out is its fuel consumption. So the 63 litre petrol fuel tank holds 91 fuel, so very good to know that it runs on only 91. Fuel consumption is about 7.3 litres per 100, giving you an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 863 kilometers from a full tank. Inside the Eclipse Cross now, very well designed on the inside. It is actually designed off a Lexus interior, so very well styled and very classy as well. On the driver's side door here next to the handle, you have got all your power mirror controls, including the button that lets you fold them in. Very nice to reach with your thumb there. On the driver's side door, you have got a bit of a carbon fiber wrap around the power window controls. They are all automatic up and down. Above that again is your central locking button and your window lock. Just behind the steering wheel on the right hand side here, you've got the level adjuster for your headlights, parking sensors, your forward collision mitigation distance setting, lane departure warning and traction control buttons. On the right hand stalk we've got your indicators as well as fog light controls and automatic headlights and automatic high beams. And on the left hand side here, all your washer and wiper settings, and the wipers themselves are also automatic. On the steering wheel, very nice leather wrap steering wheel you get in the LS model. You've got your cruise control settings on the right and all your media and hands-free call settings on the left. Now being a sportier model Mitsubishi, you do get the paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel here. Moving on into the middle, very unique design here. Actually it is the only Mitsubishi that actually gets the display that pops up in the middle there. Now, although this screen is a touch screen, you do get, as I said, Bluetooth, AM, FM radio, digital radio, still your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto options. But you've also got a touchpad here that lets you actually flick through everything without reaching right over there. There are a few different hand gestures for the touchpad which will do various functions, so please ask us about it when you come to look at the car. We'd be more than glad to walk you through it. Around here once again, carbon fiber wrapping and that piano black look in the middle there. Just under the air conditioning vents we've got your climate control settings, so just set your temperature, the car will regulate it itself. We've also got your eco mode down there, the 2 USB inputs and a 12 volt socket. Now there is a little bit of storage there with a grippy mat in there if you wanted to keep your phone in there. Now if you bring it down into reverse, you do get a nice wide angle rear view camera there, which will give you a very clear indication of when you are getting close to everything behind you, along with the parking sensors. Now, if you bring it down into drive and put it to the left into sport shift, you can use either the shifter or the paddle shifters to switch through the gears manually. Touchpad is just down here with a few buttons to easily navigate the head unit. Electric park brake, auto hold, and 2 cup holders with the grommets in there for different size cups. Center console is nice and leather wrapped, and when you open it up, you do get a little tray in here if you wanted to keep coins or something, and plenty of storage in there as well. Quickly pan around the interior just to show you what the inside looks like. So really nicely designed seats, very comfortable, and the back seats do get a nice recline to them as well, so you know your back seat passengers are going to be very comfortable. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Eclipse Cross. Hope it has given you plenty of information. If you want to know anything more, please don't hesitate to call us. A couple of things I would highly recommend is first the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on this beautiful paintwork, protect you against a variety of environmental damages. The other thing would be the premium mechanical protection plan. You get an extra 5 years of cover on top of your new car warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. The plan also comes with up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist, which is probably the equivalent of RACV's highest level of cover, and you are covered for nationwide protection as well. Although these are additional costs, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario would love to talk to you about your finance package and tailor something to suit your needs. So once again, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.